Hello, and welcome to Nevada State High School's Count Day Checklist tutorial for all students. You should have your Count Day form filled out and everything ready to turn in if you're watching this presentation. If you have any questions, you can go watch the Count Day video again. If that does not answer your questions, then you should visit with an SSA. Generally, Count Day is a busy day for all students, so this video will help you check your Count Day form to be sure that everything is in order for you to turn in. Use the guide bar at the bottom of the presentation to navigate through the presentation. Go ahead, click Forward now to begin the presentation. During this tutorial, we will discuss what you will need to check before submitting your Count Day form. We will discuss the form and its requirements, as well as the supporting documents that you will likely be submitting with the form. We will also go over a few things regarding final submission. At the end of the presentation, you will take a 5-question quiz regarding this material. Click to the next slide when you are ready. Let's start with the form. First and foremost, make sure everything is filled out. Next, make sure it is all typed, not handwritten. Of course, signatures are not typed, but everything else should be. Next, look at the bottom of your form. Is it signed? If not, please sign it now. You will need to look at all of your classes written on the form. Seniors need a minimum of 4 classes, and juniors need a minimum of 6. Compass, 1 and 2 credit classes, and labs do not go on your Count Day form. Make sure you have all of your classes on your Count Day form. They should match the classes you recorded on your CAP form. Click the next slide when you are ready. Now we will look over your supporting documents. If you do not get a professor to sign your Count Day form, you will need to write "See attached" on the line that would have had their signature. You will need to have a supporting document for that class. Your document will need to have the following 3 items on it highlighted: your name, the date of the activity in your course, and the course number. Please make sure that they are neat and follow the order of your classes on your Count Day form. If you have any questions about these supporting documents, then please rewatch the Count Day video. Remember, screenshots are always better than simply printing the page. Click to the next slide when you are ready. Final submission is to be done in Study Skills. Once everything is in order, follow the instructions from NSHS staff and submit your form. Sign the log indicating you turned it in and be sure to put the correct date as it will reflect on your scorecard. Look over everything now and be sure you are ready to submit your paperwork. Click the next slide when you are ready. We have reviewed your form, supporting documents, and final submission process. Before you turn in your forms, be sure to take the quiz for this video. Click the next slide when you are ready. Let's go through a couple things before you begin your 5-question quiz. After answering each question, click Next. After answering all the questions from the quiz, click Submit All. You will have 2 opportunities to take the quiz. Take your time and read each question carefully. Click to the next slide when you are ready to begin.